Welcome to today's guide on mastering body language and movement in speech delivery. In this comprehensive step-by-step plan, we'll explore how to effectively convey your message with impact through strategic nonverbal communication. Step 1. Recognize the importance. Understanding why planning body language and movements is vital for effective speech delivery sets the foundation for success. They complement and reinforce your verbal message, enhancing engagement and memorability. Step 2. Analyze speech content. Review your speech and identify key points where body language can emphasize or illustrate important ideas. Determine where gestures, facial expressions, or movement can enhance your message. Step 3. Align with speech tone. Ensure planned body language aligns with the tone and content of your speech. Adapt gestures and expressions accordingly. For instance, use light-hearted gestures for humorous speeches. Step 4. Practice in front of a mirror. Stand in front of a mirror and practice incorporating planned body language and movements into your speech delivery. Adjust as needed to achieve the desired effect. Step 5. Seek feedback. Have someone observe your practice session and provide feedback on your body language and movements. Use their input to refine your delivery. Step 6. Consider audience and context. Adapt gestures and movements to suit the demographics and expectations of your audience and the context of the speech venue, respecting cultural norms. Step 7. Rehearse with body language. Integrate planned body language and movements into your speech rehearsals until they flow naturally and enhance your message. Step 8. Reflect and refine. After each rehearsal, reflect on your performance and refine your body language as needed to ensure it enhances your speech delivery. By following these steps, you'll be well prepared to deliver a captivating speech that effectively communicates your message through body language and movement.